Hi everyone. Welcome to another math lesson with Miss Amadeo and Miss Mia. Today we're going to be doing a story problem. So we're going to use our strategies to solve a real world problem. This is important because we need to know how to use our tools and resources to solve real world problems that we might have. All right, so for today's goals, I can make sense of a story problem and keep going even if it gets hard, okay? So even if it gets hard, you're going to keep on trying. You're just going to maybe try a different strategy, um, anything that you can think of to make sure that we don't give up. I can use objects and drawings to explain my thinking. So at school, we might be using connecting cues, but at home, you might not have that, and that's okay. You can use things like cereal or Legos, paper clips, pennies. So take a look around and see what you could find. I can show what I know and share what I've learned by sharing my strategy with a partner. So if you have someone with you, you can share it with them. And then you're also at the end going to share it on Seesaw. All right, so for today's story, Miss Amadeo felt really inspired by all this time she has home to plant some sunflower seeds. Miss Amadeo usually is not good at keeping plants alive or growing plants or anything like that, but I figured I'm going to be home all this time. I might as well give it a shot. And so what I did is I planted 34 sunflower seeds. Okay, and you can see in the picture, but you can also see a couple of them here. Okay. And out of those 34, 16 of them have sprouted. So they're already out of the ground, out of the soil, and they're starting to grow. Um, and I want to know how many haven't. How many am I waiting for to sprout? So for my story problem, it says Miss Amadeo planted 34 sunflower seeds. So far, 16 of them have sprouted. How many have not sprouted? All right, so now it's time to retell it. What happened in the story? Retell the story to yourself or to someone next to you if you're with someone. What happened in the story? Pause the video to retell. All right, now that you've retold the story, it's time to represent it. So at this time, you're not going to show me the answer. All you're going to do is you're going to grab a piece of paper or a whiteboard, or you can use the Seesaw drawing feature to draw something on your paper that shows the story. So you could draw a picture, you can make a circle drawing, make tens and ones, you can make an equation, whatever you think that might help you solve this story. Remember, we're not putting the answer yet. Pause the story, pause the video. All right, now you have something on your board that's going to help you solve it. So go ahead, take a moment, pause my video, and now you can solve for the unknown part of our story. Tell me, how many more do I need to wait to have sprout? How many more have not sprouted yet? All right, now that you've solved it, you can tell me the story with the answer in it now. Okay, so you're going to finish it. You're going to say, Miss Amadeo planted 34 sunflower seeds. So far, 16 of them have sprouted. And now you're going to put the answer, have not sprouted. Great job, everyone. All right, so what you're going to do now is you're going to go ahead and you're going to share your work on Seesaw. So either take a picture of it and you can use the microphone feature to explain what you did, or you can use a drawing feature. If you want to draw what you put on your paper on the drawing feature, you can do that. Anything to show your teachers that you were able to solve the story problem, and then telling us what strategy you used. All right, thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you again on Miss Amadeo and Miss Mia's lesson